Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the Beauty Fix box for the month of August. If you would like to know what I got in my box, then just continue watching. Alright, so before I get into the box, I just want to introduce myself to anyone who's new to my channel. Hi, my name's Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes and things makeup related. Hence the name Aisha Loves Makeup. Who doesn't love makeup? I know I do. And through my love of makeup, I am going to share some of my makeup finds that I get from my subscription boxes. If that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do subscribe, also make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. Alrighty, so let's see what I got. So for any of you guys who are new to my channel, I do this box unboxing every single month. Beauty Fix is a little different from the other subscription boxes I have. This one is strictly a skincare subscription box. Some people enjoy skincare. I enjoy skincare. It's not like my favorite. I'm more makeup happy. Skincare, I am happy, but it's just makeup just you know, I just get that feeling whenever I get new makeup. Skincare doesn't really do that for me, but with times have changed and a lot of people are more into the skincare. So this will be great for somebody who likes to try a lot of different skincare products. This box retails for $24.95 a month, and if you don't want to do like a monthly subscription, you can just buy it by itself. And if you buy it by itself every single month, it's $34.95. So it's actually cheaper if you just pay for it monthly, like as a subscription, as opposed to if you just get it every single month on your own. But some people, if you don't want to commit to it, then just try it the first time. But you can save $10 if you just get it, you know, just do the subscription. Alrighty, so with that being said, this is what the box looks like. It's pink, my favorite color. So loving the box already. Alrighty, so this is your sneak peek of what it looks like when you open it. It says, "We're here for the unbiased love of skin, Beauty Fix." So this is interesting. Out of all my subscription boxes, this is the only one that gives like little scriggly paper like this. All right, so let's see. We're gonna take a look and see what we got here. Alrighty. So the first thing I got is, also I forgot to mention, like, it's like, I want to say like 95% skincare, but they randomly throw in sometimes something hair care related, but it's, I don't think they've ever had anything makeup in it. So, yeah. So this is actually a hair product from the brand Living Proof. It's a dry shampoo. It says it actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat, and odor. So that was actually nice to give to us. Oop, sorry. Some dry shampoo. We could all always use some dry shampoo. The next thing I got is another hair product by Barigio. It says, "Don't despair, repair, strengthening treatment oil." So this is a deluxe sample size. And with ceramides for dry and damaged hair. So I do like treatment oils. So I'm happy that we got a little bit more hair stuff, because sometimes it's just all skincare, and like I said, I'm not that, you know, go happy for skincare, but I wanted to have something different on my channel for people who do like skincare. I wanted to show you guys a skincare box. Am I going to subscribe to every skincare box? Probably not, but anything that I don't use, I'll give away in my giveaways, so it's a win-win situation for you guys. So what's this? This is, oh, it's a bag. Wow, they really did like something different this time around. They've never been this daring. Should I even open it? I don't know if I would actually use this bag or not, so maybe not. But they give you this, look how, this bag is bigger than my whole face. Look how big this bag is. It's by the Derm store. I guess it's to hold, if you're traveling, you can hold all your items in here. I don't think I'm going to open this because I don't know. I mean, it's not really my style of bags. My bags are more normally like sparkly, metallically, glittery, pink, loud, crazy, funky, spunky. This is not calling to me, but maybe it may call to someone else. So I'm going to save this for a giveaway. Alrighty. The next thing I got is a Tula Detox and Enjoy Exfoliating Mask. And also what I like about this skincare box is they give a lot of stuff that you actually like know. It's not like really indie brands. It's for the most part like you know everything in the box. Once or twice you'll get something indie, but it's normally stuff that like you're familiar with. So I like that. Oops, I just dropped it. Be right back. Alright, so this is what the product looks like. It's a deluxe size sample. And Tula is very popular. I've seen it in Sephora. I heard their products are very good, so I would use this. So excited for that. The next thing I got is a Rapid Repair Facial Moisturizer. It has chamomile in it and collagen. This is by the brand Dermalect. I had to think for a second because they have it like zigzagged. But this is what the product looks like. Okay. They normally, I think, give a card. This is the first time I didn't actually get a card from them. Because normally there's a card in here. Alright. So the next thing I got is a First Aid Beauty Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide SPF 30. So that's what it looks like. It has a little bit of the black stuff on here from these little squiggly things. It would have been nice to, enjoy the summer to use this, but I can honestly say I think I've went to the beach maybe once. And that's before it actually got hot. I think I went not when it was warm. And now it's fall coming, which is my favorite season. My birthday's in September. I'm a Virgo. So I think you can't be a Virgo and not love the fall, but I think that's why I love the fall so much, because I am a Virgo. Very, very excited for fall season. The leaves and the pumpkins, pumpkin picking, apple picking, apple cider. I'm like in love with the fall, so can't wait for that. The next thing I got is, this is a tightening eye gel. It says it's the best of beauty by Allure. It won this award in 2019. I've never heard of the brand, but Allure said it was like the best, so I'm not gonna try any more skincare though. As you guys know, I always say I have too much stuff. You guys know already. My veterans of my channel, they know. Alright, but let's see. I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is a big, it's a pump. And it's a tightening eye gel. This is what it looks like. So I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway for someone to try. It says tightens, contours, and fades dark circles. We all could use a little bit of that for some late nights, right? So that concludes everything I got in my Beauty Fix box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items for $24.95. Not too shabby, not too shabby. And majority of it, like I said, is normally skincare products. But was this? Yeah, this was. I was gonna say, is this oil for face? But it was for hair. Yeah. So this is different. This is definitely a little bit different because I've never got like. Is it supposed to be a makeup bag or a skincare bag? It's kind of big, but nevertheless, the things that I was excited for was I want to try the Living Proof. I want to try some more things from Living Proof, and the repair oil. Go figure, the stuff that I'm happy about is not any of the skincare products. I don't really wear sunblock too much. I know I should, but I really don't. Actually, the Tula thing I was excited for. So, and then the eye gel and the face moisturizer. All right. So, thank you everyone who waited to the end and stayed to the end to watch my whole full video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and show me some love. I appreciate all the thumbs up to give me support from my YouTube channel. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video.